To find citations linked to full text, first run a PubMed search. Type cystic fibrosis in the search box and click Search. Here we see a PubMed search results page for cystic fibrosis. Click on the title of the result, Cystic Fibrosis, Current Therapeutic Targets and Future Approaches. Full text links appear at the top of the right sidebar, next to the article title. Full article text may be available from multiple sources. Click on one of the icons to access the full text. In this example, the article's publisher has made the full text available for free. Additionally, the full text of the article is available from PubMed Central, or PMC, NLM's free full-text repository. Not all full-text links in PubMed are to free full text. Some full-text links go to journal publisher websites, where full text can be accessed with a subscription or for a one-time fee. Returning to the search results, if you want to see only citations that provide links to full text, use the Text Availability filters in the sidebar. By selecting the Full Text checkbox, only citations with links to full text will be displayed. You will notice the Filters Applied Full Text message that appears at the top of your results list. Click Clear All to remove the filter. If you want to see only citations that provide links to free full text, either from PMC or via the article's publisher, click the Free Full Text checkbox in the sidebar. You may also be able to access full text through your institution's library. Look for your library's icon in the Full Text Links section of the abstract view. If you don't see your library's icon, contact your library to access your institution's subscriptions.